Welcome to Museum Strathroy-Caradoc's mini DIY series, videos for history buffs and craft stuffs. With this craft, we're jumping way back in time, all the way back to 5th millennium BC, when the earliest loom is thought to be dated. Like our craft today, these looms consisted of bars or beams, fixed in place to hold parallel sets of thread in two. Though a long succession of improvements would be added to the loom, particularly during the Industrial Revolution, the fundamental purpose of the loom remained consistent, present across cultures. These people spent hours on looms weaving clothes for their communities. Today, we'll be clothing our cups. Let's get started.
Assembled here are what materials you'll need: cardboard, an X-Acto knife, a fork, ruler, pencil, darning needle, scotch tape, scissors, and 3 colors of wool, along with a fair amount of patience. Begin by cutting your cardboard so it is 5 inches wide, or around 12 centimeters, and 7 inches long, or around 17 centimeters. Then, make 20 marks at the top and bottom edges of your cardboard. Aim to draw them around half a centimeter apart. Here, grab your ruler and pencil and draw 2 lines about 1.5 inches from the top and bottom of your cardboard. Grab your scissors and very carefully begin cutting the lines that you made to form notches. Once completely woven through, cut the thread and tape it to the front of the cardboard. Now you're ready to grab the next color. Make sure to choose wisely the colors you'd like your coaster to be. We've selected red and blue yarn for our craft. Take a strand of one color and tie it to the end of your needle. Make sure to pay close attention to this step. With your thread tied tightly to your needle, initiate an over-under sort of pattern, weaving all the way until the end. After a row is completed, turn your needle around and go the opposite direction, completing the same pattern. Here, you'll see the string pulled all the way through. Arrange your strings so the second one arcs above the first, almost resembling a bridge. Now, take your fork and push it down so that the strings are tightly lined together. Continue this process, weaving in and out until you've created a stripe of a sufficient width. Note that this process is quite time-consuming, but once you get the hang of it, consider listening to music while you work, watching television, or perhaps even check out our other videos on Museum Strathroy-Caradoc's channel as you complete this step. Here, you'll see we've sped up the process and completed a sizable chunk of red. When you'd like to switch colors, leave enough string to form a tail, snip it, and grab your next color. We have proceeded with blue. Attach the new colored thread to your needle and proceed with the exact same process as you did with the first color, weaving in and out. It's really up to you how wide or how many stripes you'd like to weave, but we've chosen to make ours a split color. Now, to tie up some loose strings. Cut the string and remove the tape as we do. Now, cut your base strings all the way down the middle on the back side of the cardboard. Remember the hanging tails that we untaped earlier? Attach them back to the needle and use it to pull the strings within the edge of the loom so that they're less visible. Here, you can see we tie excess blue thread to an exterior green thread. Then, take two strings and tie them together in large knots, completing the fringe on the outside of the coaster. Do this on both sides.
here's the finished product. And it's very useful. I can put my cup right on there. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you later.